Welcome to Tool Time at Kitchen Conservatory. The easiest way for children to eat apples is with an apple divider because anybody can use it. Just put the apple down, push the apple right on top, and look, you immediately have slices of apple that are easy to eat and ready to go without any sharp cutting thing. The apple divider takes out the core right here and is available in a jumbo size too for extra large apples that you can also get done by just pushing it down. Bigger apples need a little bit more leverage, and there you have a divided apple ready to eat. But this doesn't take the skin off. So if you want to get rid of the skin, you do have to go the old-fashioned way to peel an apple. Take the peeler all the way around, and my favorite way to peel and divide apples for eating is to, after I peel the apple, because some people just don't like to have skin in the game. Peel the apple like this. Again, set the apple down, and I think of it like a box, and I go around the core so I never have to worry about coring the apple, and I have perfect apple ready to eat. We make cooking fun at Kitchen Conservatory.